Airtop AI is one of the newest AI software releases that's been creating a lot of buzz, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before you dive in. This is the software that promises to change the way you approach automation and efficiency in your business, so stick around, you're going to want to hear this. Before we get into it, if you're curious about giving Airtop AI a try yourself, you can do so completely free by clicking the first link in the description below. You'll get a first-hand experience of this groundbreaking AI software with no commitment. Now, let's dive into the details that matter. First off, Airtop AI is built for businesses looking to streamline their operations. Whether you're a solopreneur, a small business, or a growing company, Airtop AI automates tasks that would normally take hours, making your life so much easier. From generating content to handling customer service inquiries, this software packs a punch in terms of saving you time and effort. One of the standout features of Airtop AI is its powerful natural language processing, NLP. It allows the AI to understand and generate human-like text with precision, which means you're not dealing with robotic-sounding responses or generic content. This is perfect if you want to elevate your brand's voice and engage with your audience in a more authentic way. Another thing you'll love about Airtop AI is its ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to get started. The interface is sleek and intuitive, designed with the user in mind. Whether you're automating your social media posts, creating content for blogs, or even generating email templates, Airtop AI ensures everything feels seamless and fast. The software also comes with deep customization options. Unlike other AI tools that offer limited templates, Airtop AI allows you to tweak settings to fit your unique needs. You can adjust tone, style, and even content length, ensuring that everything feels tailor-made for your business. Security and privacy are also major priorities here. Airtop AI doesn't just grab your data and run, it's built with encryption and privacy-first policies. You can trust that your information is in safe hands, which is essential when working with AI-driven tools that interact with sensitive data. Another huge plus is Airtop AI's scalability. As your business grows, this software grows with you. Whether you need to handle a larger volume of tasks or need more complex automations, Airtop AI is flexible enough to scale up without any hiccups. It adapts to your needs, making it ideal for long-term use. Finally, Airtop AI is backed by a strong support system. If you run into any issues or need help understanding certain features, the team is there to guide you. You're not left in the dark, and that's something you don't always get with other AI tools. If you're still unsure, I've tried hundreds of AI tools myself, and after using Airtop AI, I can confidently say it's one of the best options for businesses looking to level up their automation game. I've included some of my personal recommended AI software in the description below, where you can try them for free as well, so there you have it. 7 crucial things you need to know about Airtop AI. It's powerful, user-friendly, secure, customizable, scalable, and supported by a great team. If you're looking to supercharge your business with AI, this might just be the tool you've been waiting for. Don't forget to click the link in the description to get your free trial and experience it for yourself.